Yo, here's the trade that I took today. Pretty nice, pretty simple. So, we came into the London high, we swept it, uh, and I just determined a sweep by closing above the high on like the 5 minute time frame, not the 30 minute. But yeah, so we swept it. Then we had a 5 minute break of structure to the downside where this red line is when this candle closed, because we have this move down and move up. We closed below it. Then I was looking for a retrace, and we had 5 minute equilibrium. We came into it. I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame. We had a 1 minute break of structure to the downside right there. So I entered. I put my stop at London high, and I targeted London low, and it's basically 1 to 2 risk or reward ratio. So yeah, I followed my plan. It was a good day. So yeah, pretty good trade today.